Okay, we are in the be back again. First stage, I think was pretty good. I feel good from the beginning. I started in 8th position, and I start to pass another rider, still 4th. I ride many times alone, but it was good for the confidence with the navigation. I didn't do big mistakes. I stay all the time in the good piece, and with the feeling with the bike was really good. I think the last thing we did in Morocco with the team was a good improve for the bike. I feel confidence. I think we have the good rhythm. We have to improve a little bit on the dunes. We don't have many kilometers in this kind of terrain, in this kind of dunes, so it's the only thing I think we have to improve. Yeah, for the first day, I feel happy, and I think the team is working really good, so that's the best.